Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to our new spoken English video. In this video we will start practicing English listening. If you want to speak in English, you must do three things. First, listening, reading and writing. তোমাকে ইংরেজি প্রত্যেক দিন পড়তে হবে, লিখতে হবে এবং তোমাকে ইংরেজি শুনতে হবে। সো আমাদের আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমরা তোমাদের জন্য একটা প্র্যাকটিস ইংলিশ লিসনিং দিচ্ছি। তোমরা এই ভিডিওটাকে মনোযোগ সহকারে শুনবে, কানে হেডফোন দিয়ে ভালো করে মনোযোগ সহকারে এই ভিডিওটাকে শুনবে এবং এতে কি বলা হচ্ছে সেটা তোমরা ট্রাই টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য মিনিং অফ দ্য ভিডিও। ওকে, সো আজকে তোমরা শুনতে থাকো এবং প্র্যাকটিস করতে থাকো এবং পরবর্তী ক্লাস পর্যন্ত অর্থাৎ আগামী 7 দিন তোমাদের এটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্ক, এটা তোমরা প্রত্যেকে প্র্যাকটিস করবে। ধন্যবাদ। তো তোমরা এবার শুনে নাও।
David, go. This is nice.
Here, sit down. Would you like some wine?
Yes, please. Why don't you sit down?
I can't. First course.
Oh, good. I'm really hungry. Fry the onions, yep. That was delicious. What's the main course? I can't wait.
It's a surprise.
Oh,
Have some more wine.
thank you. I had a really busy day today. Didn't have time for lunch. It's lovely to be here and have a quiet dinner and simply relax.
I'll just get the main course.
Great. Here you are.
Thank you so much.
Thank Jane.
Jane?
Hi.
Jane, you're wonderful.
No problem. Thanks.
Ta-da!
How exciting. What is it?
It's called pasta alla Giulia.
Smells very good.
Oh, hang on. I forgot the salad.
This is much nicer than a restaurant. It's more romantic.
And is the food better too?
Possibly. Thanks. David, this is absolutely delicious. Can you give me the recipe?
The recipe? I can, but
But what?
it's a family secret.
Oh, David, really?
Matt, Jane and I did a good job for David. Maybe we could open a restaurant.
So where are we having the party? On a boat. You're joking? No, really?
Jane's sister Alison is staying for the weekend. She's going to an engagement party for Tom and Zoe, 2 old friends of hers.
Sounds like fun.
What are you going to wear?
I bought a new dress. It's really lovely. Can we see it?
Sure.
Oh, that's beautiful. Do you really think so?
You're going to look fantastic.
Oh, thanks. Oh gosh, I've got to get a move on.
Where are you going?
I'm going into town to buy a present for Tom and Zoe.
What are you going to get them?
I've no idea. Something romantic. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Hi.
Hi.
Is that another new dress?
It's not mine.
Whose is it?
It's Alison's.
It's quite nice.
Quite nice. It's wonderful.
What's it made of?
Matt, watch that ball! Oh, no! Oh.
It's no good, I'm afraid. The stain's not coming out.
What am I going to do? Alison's going to be really upset.
Buy another dress?
What does the label say?
New York, Paris, Milan. I think it's very expensive.
Why?
Never mind.
Okay, let's go and get another dress.
All of us?
This is an emergency, Matt. Okay, Jane, you go with Matt, take the shops on the left. I'll go with David, we'll take the shops on the right. Have you got all the details?
Hi, everyone.
Alison! Oh, hi.
What's she doing?
We're planning our shopping.
Okay.
See you back at the house.
Yeah. Right. Bye.
Bye. Have you got your mobiles? Good luck. Any news from Jane and Matt?
No.
This is hopeless.
What about this one?
It's too small.
This one looks bigger.
It's the wrong kind of white.
The wrong kind of white.
David, look. That dress is almost exactly the same as Alison's.
Excuse me.
Oh no. She's going to buy it.
Hang on.
Can I help you? Yes. Can I try this on, please?
Excuse me. I don't think it's white enough.
I'm sorry.
I think this one's much better.
Oh. Really?
Yeah, really, it's very nice. Can she try it on?
Yes.
The changing room's up there.
I'll take it. Phone the others.
Okay.
How much is it?
£250.
Can I pay by American Express?
Of course.
Jane? We got one. Yes, we're going home now. See you later.
Wow, that's perfect.
How much was it?
£250.
£250.
It's Alison.
Hi.
Hi.
What's wrong?
I had an accident with your dress, so I bought another one for you for tonight.
Oh, thank you.
It's almost the same as yours.
Oh, this dress is much more beautiful. It's gorgeous. The other one only cost £10.
£10?
Yes, I got it second-hand from a charity shop.
Next time, Helen, forget Paris, Milan and New York. Head straight for a charity shop. On Sunday mornings, we usually just sit around and read the papers. It's so relaxing after a busy week.
This is good. A weekend in Barcelona, including flights and hotel, £120.
That's cheap.
I went to Barcelona about 3 years ago.
Did you have a good time?
It was brilliant. The food was wonderful and the nightlife.
How long did you stay?
For a week. We stayed in a 4-star hotel.
We? Who did you go with?
A friend?
Have you ever been to Barcelona?
No, I haven't.
Here's another one. Paris, £190.
Paris is fantastic. I went there when I was a student.
I went when I was at school.
So romantic.
So you've been to Paris too, then?
Of course I have.
Where else have you been?
Rome. Prague.
I love Prague.
New York.
New York's great.
What about you? Where have you been, Matt?
Well, nowhere.
Nowhere.
I've been to Scotland.
That's astonishing. Do you mean to say you've never been abroad?
Only Scotland.
You poor thing.
Why don't you go to Barcelona? It's really cheap.
And you haven't had a holiday this year.
No, I went home to Birmingham.
Birmingham's not exactly exotic. Why don't you go?
No reason.
How about next weekend?
Well, I could do, I suppose.
Come on.
Let's book your ticket.
All right. How?
On the internet, of course. There. Flight JM 514 to Barcelona, Friday the 23rd of May at 9 o'clock in the evening. Check-in at 7:30.
What do I do between 7:30 and 9 o'clock?
You get your boarding pass and you wait in the departure lounge. Hang on. Haven't you ever flown before?
No, I've never been on an aeroplane. Actually, I'm a bit,
Nervous?
terrified.
Oh, Matt. Don't be silly. Flying's really exciting.
What about this one?
That was a holiday in LA. I had a girlfriend there.
How long,
We were together for about 6 months.
No, I mean, how long did the flight take?
About 10 hours?
10 hours? What did you do for 10 hours?
Watch films, ate, slept. Anyway, your flight's only 2 hours. Have you packed yet?
No, I haven't.
It might be a good idea.
Oh, right.
Have you packed everything?
Yes, I have.
Passport.
Yes.
Suntan cream.
Yes.
Your toothbrush.
I've packed everything.
Have you phoned for a taxi yet?
I did it 15 minutes ago.
That's it.
Well, go on.
Where are you off to?
Barcelona.
Oh, have fun.
Have a great time, Matt.
Thanks.
Bye.
Adios.
Bye.
Hasta la vista.
Safe journey.
Hello? No, I haven't. That's impossible. I've just taken it out of my pocket. I've got it here. Oh, no. I've taken yours.
Have a lovely time.
Matt had a wonderful time in Barcelona. And the flight? He loved it. In fact, he's thinking about taking flying lessons.